project Dbuddy, an AI-powered backend manager and database management system which helps user to query, modify and explore their database using natural language without writing any SQL manually. So the main goal of Dbuddy is to simplify database operations by combining AI, PostgreSQL via Neon database and an intuitive UI. So this is the sign in page, and here we have provided three options for sign in. One is just by providing email a user can log in. User can also log in using his Google account or can also use GitHub to connect. So I already have my account linked to the project, so I'm going to use that. And as you can see, it is going to authenticate the account, and once the login is successful, user will be redirected to the dashboard page. So in this dashboard page, here user can provide a query in natural language for creating the project, and we have used Grok API for this purpose. So if I want to create a project for a TV channel, I can simply write a statement in English that I want to create a project on for TV channels, and we can also specify the necessary tables for it. Then once the user clicks on create project, the project will be created and user will be directed directly to the project page. So this is the project page wherein currently it is showing two tables. The two tables got created, and AI is going to infer certain schema based on the input that we provide for creating the project. So here as you can see, there are two tables right now, and it's not having any data. So for inserting the data, user can manually insert the data using insert option, or if the user wants mock data, user can simply click on generate mock data. It will show the tables that are present, and if there are any dependencies involved, that will also be displayed. So if I click on generate, it will generate the mock data for the table, and this is done using LangGraph. So as it's shown here, the two tables have been successfully filled with the mock data, and it has inserted 10 records in each of the two tables. So currently it displays by default 5 records. We can load and get all the details. So here it describes about the TV channel, and if the user wants to export the data, we have provided three options: XLSX and CSV and JSON. So if I click on CSV, the export will begin, and immediately the file will be downloaded. Then here we have schema, which view schema, which generates the diagram for the project. So here we have two tables, and the dependency that is involved is also represented, and this is also done using Grok API. Then we can also query the project using the query interface that we are providing here. And if I want to get the details of the TV channels that are available, I can simply write query in English that I want to get the details of all the TV channels that are stored in the database in this project. And so once the user clicks on run query, this query will automatically be interpreted into SQL, and the result of this query will be displayed as shown here. User can also export this data in any of the three formats, and this will automatically get downloaded. Then we have a query history page, which is going to display the queries that we have made either while creating the project or after the creation of project. Then we have a page on optimization, which displays the tables information that and it also gives suggestion if there can be any indexes that we can apply to make the query execution faster. It shows the execution as shown here, and Along with that, if there are any issues in the project tables, it is also going to be displayed over here. After that, we have a summary option, which is going to automatically generate the summary of the project that we have. And this is also going to analyze the database, and as we have two tables currently and 10 records in each, it has automatically displayed the quick stats for the same, and the summary is also displayed over here. And if we see on the dashboard page, we can also see that the project card also appears here, and here user can also delete this project or can also edit the name of this project as shown here. So it is going to re-render this page, and as shown here, the project will be updated. Then we have a profile page wherein user can set manually his or her personal details, and after that we also have an option which allows user to get the support for this system. It is provided with certain FAQs, and user can also write his query in support tickets. User can insert his query or any issue that he has, and suppose I write any random issue over here that then I can submit. And we also require to specify any message that we have, and after that the issue will be submitted. Now if the admin wants to get access to this queries that the user has raised for getting help, we can make just a small change in the env file, which will allow user to log in as an admin, and admin will be able to get the details. After that, user can successfully log out, and once log out, user will be directed back to this sign in page, and even if I reload, I will still have to again enter the credentials to log in to this project.